Words can heal hearts, but only when spoken with knowledge, sincerity, and preparation. Today's reminder is about meaningful sohbet, discussion, and responsibility. Devoted servants who see conveying the religion as their duty should offer sermons and advice, for example, after every afternoon prayer. One day the topic may be prayer, another day fasting, another day matters that soften and refine the heart, and on another day discussions addressing common mistakes people frequently fall into. Such talks and mutual discussions will multiply the rewards we gain during Ramadan and help us revive this blessed month properly. At times, it may be appropriate to invite a person who is knowledgeable in a particular subject or a visiting scholar so that people may benefit. It is clearly wrong to guide people by reading directly from a book without preparation or by conveying incorrect information. In reality, this reflects a lack of respect for the congregation and for those who have come sincerely seeking knowledge. Ramadan teaches us that guidance requires care. Prepare before you speak. Share knowledge with sincerity. Respect those who come seeking truth. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. What type of Islamic talk benefits you the most? Subscribe to Light of Iman and stay with us for day 15 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah grant us sincerity, wisdom, and responsibility in speech. Āmīn.